Hey, this is Conan with CR Components again. Wanted to go over another variation of Bobcat seal kits. This seal kit will fit all your early 864 T200 drives, up when they upgraded into the longer nose and deeper sprocket, all the way into when you started adding 2-speed drives on your T870s and T770s, all those early serial breaks. All the motors will look similar to this. And we've got a complete seal kit. You will have to let us know if you have the shorter version, the very early drive motors, because they use an extra small face seal compared to all the other ones have a larger face seal. So that's the only difference you really have to worry about, is on this face seal here. If you have this shorter drive, then you're gonna want this kit, the short nose kit. Everything else has got your lid gasket, your outer brake piston seal, your inner brake piston seal. Sometimes they have a retaining ring with an O-ring. Other times there's a press-in brown seal with metal on the outside that presses in. So whichever variation you have, we got you covered there. The only other variation is when they went to the 2-speed drives, we have an extra 2-speed seal and a different plug seal they went to. So you should have every variation you need. Shaft seal, brake housing seal. It'll get you going. Appreciate it. Check out crcomponents.com. Let us know if there's anything else you need that you don't see on there, because we've got lots of parts on the shelves that we do not have listed. Thank you very much.